Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, we are doing a, kind of a meme video. So you see, I was thinking about Ancalagon. And I switched its combo to 10 Spiral Dash. And I created a monster. By the way, I scraped off a lot of its paint and got to the undercoat and it looks really cool now. It looks like the layer is got a planet in the middle that the dragons are swirling, which is really cool. And I decided to pin it up against Guilty Longinus. There's like a 28 gram difference between these two. So yeah, this is just for laughs and giggles. I'm scared for my own protection, my camera, and yeah. Guilty, please don't kill me or my Beyblade, please. I have little 10-pound weights over there to stop it from moving. That's how crazy this is. Get on the So round one has been a survival. We're still alive. Oh yeah, I don't expect Ancalagon to come out of this alive, a winner. I just am doing this because I want to. Death. He did it quick though. God dang, his teeth are wearing down from this. Guys, you haven't seen Ancalagon in a while, and from now on, Ancalagon's going to be an attack type because that's the way it's going to be. Ancalagon is a pure blood attack type, no doubt about it. That's what he's always good at. Oh my god, Ancalagon does not care. He does not care about Guilty Longinus' weight. Even though he's not doing damage to Guilty, it's still immense. Oh! Here. You see a dent right there. Oh, I just crapped myself a little. How is Guilty not taking damage from this? Hold on, where does Driver go?
Okay, so this is going perfectly fine at the moment.
Just so you know, I chose eBay is basically a DB. Oh my god. Okay, where does Lair go? If you guys saw me sitting here watching this battle, you would know the amount of fear I have. Let's try that again. I'm sweating over here. Oh my god! This is brutal! How is my Beyblade not broken yet? Dude's it. Oh my god. You see that slash mark? That wasn't there before. God dang, Guilty did that. Holy crap. This plastic's efficient. Man, I want to go to like a burst Guilty, but I don't have that much time. We're probably going to end with this next one. Oh, there goes the light. No way! No way! Bye, guys!